Stuck with the Uiautomationcore.dll failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we get into the manual guide for Uiautomationcore, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Uiautomationcore, the foundational library for the Windows UI automation framework. It provides the programmatic interface for screen readers, like Narrator, and automated testing tools. If corrupted, third-party accessibility tools and localized macrobots will fail to read the screen, often resulting in a silent application hang. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. When a core file like Uiautomationcore.dll is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scannow to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Uiautomationcore component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Remember that Uiautomationcore.dll operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. The diagnostic utility referenced below offers general information for managing Uiautomationcore and maintaining system health. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Uiautomationcore from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.